friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I hope you hit that subscribe button and your bell notification and stick around so you don't miss out on any of the videos here with me. So today I'm super excited. I created this beautiful summer but also ready for fall look, I feel like, and I finally filmed with the Glamlite burger palette. I know I posted this on my Instagram probably about a month ago, and you guys have been waiting for this. If you are new, check out some of my older videos and kind of give you an idea of what's been going on. I've just been trying to work on myself and, just get back to the happy, healthy version of myself, and it's just not been super easy. So things are slowly getting better, things are going to get back to normal, and they are changing, and I'm blessed for that. So thank you for all of you who have subscribed, who have stayed subscribed, continue to support and stick around. You guys are amazing. So I'm going to show you the box that it comes in. This is just too cute. The box itself made me want to try the palette. I'm going to definitely keep the box and have it on display. So you get this card, which is super cute. It just gives you 15% off if you use the code GLAM15. It's a little bit about, the creator, founder of Glamlite, and just a beautiful picture of her. Her cosmetics line is inspired by food, which I think is freaking amazing because who doesn't love food? But when you open it up, it comes in a bag, just like, if you would get a burger that was on a wrapper at a restaurant, which I think is just so super cute. On the back it shows the shades of the palette, and obviously this palette is based off of burger toppings. So then you get your burger inside the package, inside their little wrapper here, and it's like a little soft, kind of like bread. Super, super cute. You get 16 shadows inside, and obviously pickles, mustard, bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, red onions, whatever you can put on a burger. And they are just beautiful. They match perfectly with their names. And you get a mirror inside this palette. So, this palette is a big size palette, so you think, oh my goodness, I can't travel with this palette, but because of the way the palette is made, I do feel like you could travel with it, maybe take this one and one other, or maybe all you need is this palette. All I would need is this palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, then please continue watching. You guys, so don't mind my face. I've got a face mask on. It's the number 7 resurfacing skin paste, and I just had some dry skin, so I decided to go ahead and put that on. So we're going to jump into the Glamlite burger palette. I'm so excited to finally use this. Look at it in all its glory. I haven't swatched a single shade. I haven't touched a single shade. I am just too pumped to use it. So I'm going to start out with the shade Mustard. It's going to be our transition shade. And the palette has a very nice mirror. Ooh, yes. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty good. Definitely have to build this shade up, but it's blending very, very nicely. Really like the way that's looking. Alright, now I want to go into the shade Sweet Potato Fries. Start blending that into my crease, into the yellow. See, we're just building that up like right in here into that yellow. I want to use every single shade, so I'm going to go into the shade Tomato. Bit of that and start blending it onto the lid, the outer V here. Of course, we're going to go back in with mustard. I'm going to use some setting spray to dampen this eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Thousand Island. And I'm going to pop that right here on the front part of my lid. Whoa. I got a little bit too much, you guys. It's super pigmented. Wow. Okay. I was not expecting it to be like that pigmented, you guys. This seems like a shade that maybe you might not even need to spritz your brush. Okay, you guys, I'm going to pop on lashes, and I'm going to do the rest of my face and get this face mask off. We're going to come back and talk about the palette and my thoughts, and I mean, you guys kind of have an idea of how I feel about using it. We're also going to finish off the lower lash line, so I will be right back. Alright, you guys, we are back. I do already have my lip on. I used the Collab lipstick in the shade What's Up with a little bit of liner from Ultra Cosmetics. This is in the shade Chestnut. Alright, so we're going to work on the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this gel liner from EBIN New York. This is Cherry Kool-Aid, because I want the lower lash line to kind of be bright. Okay, and now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Red Onions. And I'm going to kind of smoke that out. And I'm also going to go into the shade Cheddar. I'm going to pop that into the inner corners here. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. To me, very simple and yet very wearable, but full of color. And it's not intimidating and it's not too much. I feel like it's just right. So, let us talk about the palette. I mean, what can I say except I love it, you guys. I absolutely love it. I did watch Raw Beauty Christie do her look with this palette, and I mean, her look was just absolutely gorgeous. If you don't watch her, check her out. But it just really made me want to try it even more. I had already been looking at it because these colors are right up my alley as far as, you know, those mustards, those greens, so like warms and brights. So it has a little bit of everything. This palette can be used, I feel like, summer, spring, fall. I can't wait to create some fall looks with this palette, you guys. And I believe this palette was around $40, which most people might think is a lot, but it's a really good quality palette. So, and the pan size of the shadows is a really decent size. And you get 16 shades in here. It might be kind of gimmicky, but I mean, isn't that the point? It's just cute, and I'm so glad that I have it to add to my collection. So that is my review, my thoughts. Do I think you need to have it? No, I mean, I have palettes that I didn't really need to have, but I got them to review them for you guys. But is it an amazing palette? Are you going to like it? Do I think you're going to get some use out of it? Absolutely. And if you're into collecting makeup and, for the way that the palettes look and things like that, you definitely need to add this to your collection. Glamlite did a fantastic job, so kudos to you guys. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell notification so you aren't missing out on any videos here with me. And you guys, if you haven't checked out my second channel, which is Shanae's Life, head over there and check it out. We do all kinds of stuff, pranks, challenges, vlogs. It's a lifestyle challenge. We're bringing back wine talk. Cannot wait for that. We have updates coming up for you guys and a lot of news, so you don't want to miss that. And it's linked down below. Also, if you haven't checked out my mom's channel, which is D's Delicious Bites, she does cooking and recipes and, mukbangs, grocery hauls. She's just simply amazing. You guys head over there, support her. Thank you for all of you who have already, started to support my mom. She is just amazing. I love you guys, and as always, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.